Well, hello, my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make stickers at home using your Cricut machine and a Creative Fabrica image. So I really enjoy going to Creative Fabrica to find my PNG and SVG files. It's a great a resource to get your files. They even have videos and just a great all-in-one shop to find amazing graphics. Another great reason why I really enjoy Creative Fabrica is because it comes with a commercial license on the files. I know a lot of people ask me, where is a good spot to get commercial license images and graphics? Well, Creative Fabrica is the place to go. So today for today's video, I'm going to be making some birthday stickers, and I wanted to just take a look and see what they have, and I searched birthday stickers on the website. And as you can see, they have really cute designs are ready to go. And I found this really cute puppy birthday printable stickers that was just perfect color and look that I really got to give a round of applause to the designer of this file. The great thing about this file is once I saved it and downloaded it, it comes already with a transparent background and a slight offset on the design. I really appreciate the fact that the designer added those special details to the design to make it an easier design, especially for a beginner crafter. So now that I have saved the design onto my desktop, I'm going to go ahead and upload it into Cricut Design Space. I like to check the complex option when bringing in all my designs into Cricut Design Space, so I'll do the same here. And because it already has that transparent background, I don't have to worry about removing the background. Now it's time to get this design on the page and get started. It does come in quite large, so I'm just going to use Cricut Auto size to correct the sizing, and this will fit a full sheet of paper. Now, if you wanted to make it a little bit smaller, you definitely can, and let me show you how. I want it to be about 4 by 6 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a shape from the shape panel. I'm going to unlock my shape, and I'm going to use this shape just to cut out a few of the elements in the design. I'm going to select all and choose slice. Now that I have sliced the design, I'm going to go ahead and remove the unwanted pieces, and now I can bring the elements a little bit closer just so I can print it on a smaller design. Now that I'm happy with the way everything looks, I went ahead and brought in another shape and just attached it to the design. And I went ahead and saved it and sent it to print and cut. And using my printer settings, I'm going to use Glossy, my Glossy paper settings, because I'll be printing this out on Glossy sticker paper. I like to use the washi sheet base material setting when cutting out my stickers. Now you can use like a matte sticker paper and then add a laminate on top. That's what I typically do. But today I'm going to be using this glossy printable sticker paper for my inkjet printer. I'm just showing you here how important it is to calibrate your machine. When I first did my first test cut, my calibration was off, so I had to go back in and make sure I calibrated my Cricut machine, so that way I have had a really good turnout the second time around, and they came out beautiful. Well, we hope you enjoyed today's video. We hope you learned a little bit or a lot, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you won't miss out on another video. And we would love to have you a part of the Crafting with Shaneda family. Well, until the next video, happy crafting.